Hi! In front of me is OnePlus 10 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder on this smartphone. First of all, you need to find Recorder app and click on it. Now select while using the app and tap on Allow. And now click on this word next to Allow System Settings Modification. Then click on the back button and tap on this blue one to start recording. You can pause it and unpause it using the same one. If you wish to add a bookmark, click on the left one with a flag. And if you wish to end it and save it, click on the square one on the right. Now you can delete your recording right away by choosing delete from here, but you can also name it and save it by choosing save. As you can see, my recording is over here. If you want to play it, you need to click on it. If you wish to delete it though, you need to hold it, tap on delete icon in the middle and choose delete in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!